the stick, a piece of cloth, and then you just light it. Here. See? Bada bing, bada boom. And then it could be like,
Did you just
yeah.
pull out? Did you just pull it out with hell?
What the fuck that fire. You know what? I say screw the cannibals. We're gonna kill them all.
My friend, we haven't even done anything yet. Let's go. Let's make some moves.
This tree doesn't want to come down. There we go.
Yeah, we'll make some more friends.
Yeah.
Dude, we found our water. Look, our home base is fucking perfect. Oh my god, aren't we just sexy beasts? Yeah, cloth. Oh,
What's
a
up
rope.
here? Hope I don't break my legs.
What do you see up there?
I see a lake. And that's about it.
Dude, I just axed a fish.
Stupid fish.
What time is it?
Ah.
That's what you get for eating fucking mushrooms.
No, sir, I don't like it. Dude, this is creepy, man. What's down here, man?
Dude, I got my skull. There's like... Oh.
What? Oh, shit!
I knocked his tooth out. There's another one coming. He got up. He was dead.
Dude, this goes deep, man. I'm way down here. I've gone even further down. Where are you?
Where did you go? Oh my god, stay together. It's an incredibly important part of this.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god, the light went off and they're on me. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What the look, dude, there's like...
parts of his toy.
There's like fingers or little baby penises hanging from the sky.
I found another one of his toys already. Let's go back up. I don't want to go any lower than this. I think lower is more difficult.
Ah! Ew, what's with the... Are they fingers or little wieners? They look like little...
Here he is. There's one. Sorry, I hit you. Ooh, guts. Now we have the red guts. So we're getting better now.
Ew, it's all squishy. Damn it, my Nikes.
Oh, here. I got a map off him.
Oh, this guy.
And a compass. I found a map and a fucking compass.
Fuck yeah, dude. A map?
There's nothing on it. Because we haven't explored yet. We went somewhere right, dude. We found a map and a compass.
Hell yeah. Bam. Dude, we got a body hanging here with its guts and it says, I love trains. Oh, that's nasty, man. Oh, dude, if you hit him, he drops money. It's like a pinata.
I made two
Dead guy
cocktails.
pinata.
Good.
I'm just a little scared now. I don't want to get back to camp.
Still daylight out.
Okay, good. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Don't hit me. Good job. They're gonna get up soon.
Oh, man, that one hurt
I'm out
me.
of energy.
Oh, I'm
Sorry.
almost dead. I'm running.
He's running after you, so you might want.
Is he?
Yeah.
Stop
Oh,
him,
yeah,
Twist!
energy.
Stop
You know, he's gonna
him!
end up killing me.
What? No, I won't allow that. Screw you, buddy.
Yeah. Look at this clearing over here.
Graphics are pretty damn good, man.
Indeed.
Alright, home sweet home. Got our yacht there in the distance. I'm gonna chop
Not
this
any
one
dry
down.
Food.
Timber. Ah, that's a big one. Dude, this luggage is so annoying. Get out of here. And go into the ocean. Throw my dollar bills on it. Well, that was good. I'm back and I'm hungry. I got the munchies now. I need something. There we go. Now we can sit around the fire. Whoa. That's really slow. I want a slingshot. Oh. Ah.
You got ricochet. Alright.
Look at all the sharks, man.
Fire.
Why can't we eat these sharks?
Ah, sweet fire.
Uh-oh. I hear them. They're here.
I got one going after one. Are you going after the other?
I got him.
Good job.
Oh, shit.
So sweet. You'll get his... Yeah, fucking fire pit.
That was a big hit. Later, sucker. One more.
Well, yeah, I wanted to move it away from the bench so you wouldn't burn yourself.
Alright, yeah.
Fire pit. Oh, you did it. Sweet.
Oh, yeah. Cozy by the fire. There we go.
Look at our fire pit right now.
Oh, man.
Dude,
Can we
she's
get rid of this
upside
fucking
down
luggage? Should I get rid of the luggage, please?
Oh my god, I think I screwed that up.
Get the hell out of here, luggage.
Oh, shit, it's coming up. Let's go
Can we-
cut some trees down.
Can we check our luggage, please? Oh my god. How do you know they have... But they could have eaten Timmy like 4... Whoa, this seagull is pecking at this corpse. Man, that's brutal.
Dude, Timmy is my drive.
Yeah.
That's
I suppose that
the
is...
drive.
That is the idea, huh? Oh, damn it. Nice. I just ate some berries.
Good.
We,
they're
we
good
have,
berries.
yeah, we have berries. We need more of this less luggagey, we need a less luggage-filled
That's
garden.
This fucking lizard. Now I found a deer out here, so I'm trying to go find a deer with you.
I took one leaf off of this plant. I want one leaf from this plant. Give me a leaf. I'm just gonna take that leaf and
Alright,
that
let's go.
leaf.
I'm doing that.
Oh, I hate it. Like
Burning daylight.
I push the luggage away, but then it gets caught on my foot again. Come on, get out. Oh, son of a bitch. Yeah,
it's just over
perfect. Yeah, that was a really easy spot to get to.
Dude, it's
This is a
Alright.
great campsite, dude.
our campsite is so fucking good. Alright, I'll take another sip.
I'm ready to go.
The doe come out to eat in the early morning. They graze.
Up near.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, no, come back this way.
I need you.
Hold on, come back this way. Oh, there's a deer right below us. Right here below us. Towards camp. Oh shit, I'm gonna fall.
Your skin
You're
is
mine, dear.
Your skin is mine.
Uh-oh, the winds, dude.
Oh man.
Oh,
I can't
Nate-
believe you spotted a deer. You are an old just fucking master.
Don't you
it.
know it? Oh man, there's creepy noises and wind and shit. But I think you... What? Look at this rock, dude. Can we push this down? Look at this. It's right on its edge. Whoa.
Do it.
Where are you?
I need your backup.
Hold
There's one
on.
behind you, I think.
Killing a bird.
Good kill. Do you see them up the ridge?
Yeah, up top. Yeah. Hold on. They're gonna run around a bit.
Okay, I'm gonna kill them.
No, wait. Ooh, they made noise. They saw you. That's right. Yeah, burn the bodies because you get the bones, and that's how we make the bone armor. Yeah. All right. How about now?
I see it on your arm. It's a little piece of
it's
wrist armor.
it's less than stellar bone armor. Oh my god! No fucking way. You fucking kidding me? How do I put myself out? What the fuck? I have an issue with fire. Those fools got nothing on us. Oh, you got the slingshot, dude. It could easily.
Cool.
Oh,
You can find
oh.
feathers over here.
Oh, what the fuck?
What'd you do? Where'd you go?
They call me Bird Smasher.
Oh, nice.
Dude, I just killed 2 birds with 1 skull. Dance for me, bird.